Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how rockets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This is where every rocket begins, raw power shaped by precision. Carbon fiber, titanium, and alloys, measured down to the micron. Machines move fast, but accuracy never slips. Inside sealed chambers, propellant compounds are born. Every reaction is watched, calculated, and controlled. Processed power flows through armored arteries of steel. Heat, pressure, and robotics transform metal into engines. Human skill and machine precision work as one. The rocket body cures, strong, light, and flight-ready. Giant sections align perfectly, forming the rocket's spine. Laser welds seal strength into every seam. Nothing is hidden, every layer is inspected. Engines are mounted and the heart meets the body. Fuel paths are built with extreme precision. Inside the engine bay, complexity becomes power. The rocket's brain comes online.
Signal check complete.
Microchips placed with robotic perfection. Every system is tested again and again. The fairing opens, revealing the mission inside. The payload is secured, zero room for error. Sealed and protected, ready for space. Thermal coatings guard against extreme heat. Every logo tells a mission's identity.
Scanning fleet alignment verified. Data logged.
Final scans
Self-integrity
ensure
detected.
absolute
Ready
perfection.
for next phase.
Stage by stage, the rocket stands tall. Fully assembled, a machine built to leave Earth. Every bolt locked, strength confirmed. Final checks, nothing is overlooked. The journey to launch begins. From raw material to rocket, this is how we reach space.
On this ground of a Z-part built with pride, Empress Fit is life and fitness.
Built on Earth, destined for the stars.